Hello and welcome to our video series where we get a first-hand experience in using MergeBoard. The merge request we are currently looking at introduces a lot of reformatting, which produces a huge diff. Normally, we would have to go through line after line or hope that what we saw in a small part is representative of the whole merge request and no hidden bugs have been added. Both are solutions that should not make us happy. But there is another way. MergeBoard introduces a new way of comparing changes, not by line or characters, but by logic. In this example, our newly developed InspecDiff technology should show empty diffs for all the reformatting, as in that case, the logic does not change. Let's check it out. Indeed, there seem to be no changes at all, except that when we look at the minimap, we see that there are some changes to the logic. Alright, the author seems to have gotten a little ambitious here. Good thing we noticed that, and also good reason to have a serious talk. But InspecDiff can do so much more than just filter out reformats. Let's take a look at another merge request. As this merge request contains 2 commits, let's check those out individually. The diff we are currently experiencing is not very helpful, so let's switch to InspecDiff and voila, this already looks so much more readable. We can see directly that the original method marshal indent has been replaced with marshal, which takes only 1 argument instead of 3. We also explicitly convert the variable info to a string before passing it to the log_warn method. If we switch back to the standard git diff, we can now spot these changes as well, but you'll notice that it's way harder. In the next commit, we can see how InspecDiff keeps track of moved code blocks. Here, some parts of the code move around the function newFuzAppear. As InspecDiff understands the code logic, we are guaranteed that the code blocks that are marked as moved are in fact the very same, just at a different location. This makes reviewing changes so much easier, as it makes it harder for us to overlook actual changes in the logic. Great! Now we know how MergeBoard helps you understand changes in code logic through easy-to-read visualizations. As someone who uses this tool daily, I can tell you that this saves a lot of time and improves at least my confidence in the reviews I give. Now that we know how to interact with reviews, let's open a merge request in the next video. Cheers!